Welcome to the IB Support channel. This is an information channel that guides about the IC Markets floor. If you are new to IC Markets, please subscribe to the channel to receive the most useful information on the IC Markets floor.
Hello everyone, welcome to the IB Support channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment. Today I will review the IC Markets platform Global. IC Markets is a popular brokerage for foreign currency exchange, Forex, and contracts for difference, CFDs, trading. Australian-based, it offers an outstanding range of trading tools, low fees and a good selection of currency pairs and derivative products. The platform will appeal to high-frequency, high-volume traders, but the risk-laden product offering and other hiccups, see below, pose limitations for traders without solid trading experience. IC Markets is best for tight spreads and great liquidity, drawing on more than 25 different liquidity providers to help improve cost competitiveness and speed of trades. Access to best-in-class platforms including MetaTrader 4 and 5, cTrader and TradingView, and the ability to trial all the platforms for practice. Simple account and fee structures with a zero commission spread-only standard account with MetaTrader and raw spread accounts for various trading platforms with a commission. Biggest drawbacks of IC Markets: fewer CFD trading instruments than some other brokers known for Forex and CFDs, like Plus 500, although it's strong on stock CFDs. Complexity of withdrawals can throw some users, and can lead to delays that are a key source of negative user reviews. Limited asset range. While IC Markets recently made it possible for Australian investors to buy shares, no ETFs, you can't build a truly diverse portfolio with only this platform. IC Markets at a glance. Trading fees to watch out for: overnight Forex swap rates and triple rate swap fees on Wednesday nights. Available CFD markets: Forex, shares, indices, commodities, bonds, futures, cryptocurrency. Leverage available, from 1 to 1 to 130. Available share CFD markets, 2,100 plus stock CFDs across ASX, NYSE and Nasdaq stock exchanges. 24 major indices including FTSE 100, S&P, AS 200. Available commodities CFD markets, 20 commodities including metals. Available Forex CFD markets, 61 plus currency pairs. Available crypto CFD markets: Bitcoin and 20 popular altcoins including ETH, XRP, ADA, Doge. Available share markets: you can invest directly in more than 2,000 stocks listed on the AS. Support: 24/7 customer support via live chat, telephone or email for CFD trading. Share investing support is available 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday-Friday. Trading platforms: cTrader, TradingView, MetaTrader 4 and 5, WebTrader, mobile apps. What experience level is IC Markets a good broker for? Opening an account on IC Markets is relatively easy, but there can be a steep learning curve to understand the trading software, analytical tools and order types provided. Even if you've used MetaTrader before, and you understand the mechanics of how to open and monitor multiple short-term positions, here's a caveat: IC Markets specializes in helping you make riskier contracts for difference, CFDs, trades. Something like 80% of regular investors, aka retail investors, lose money trading CFDs, drawn in by the opportunity to use leverage to make larger trades with a small amount of capital. For that reason, trading on IC Markets is not ideal for beginners who don't have a deep knowledge of markets, trading and risk management strategies, and don't have much spare time or cash to invest and potentially lose. Effective for informed traders that want an ECN, electronic communication network, pricing model with MetaTrader access, low fees, competitive spreads and fast execution of trades. If you're highly experienced in trading strategies, with a nuanced understanding of markets and robust risk management practices, IC Markets has the functionality and instrument range needed to trade CFDs. IC Markets pros and cons for beginners. There are a number of videos, webinars and articles provided by IC Markets to help you get started. But make sure you take the broker's analysis blogs with a grain of salt. For beginners considering IC Markets, the platform offers these beneficial features. Negative balance protection. As a retail investor, You're protected under Australian regulation from losing more than the amount deposited in your accounts if fail to meet margin calls and you make losses on your trades. Ability to create a free demo account and practice applying your trading approach across all account types and tools. It pays to play virtually for at least a month to see whether your strategies work consistently before you commit any real cash. 24/7 customer support for CFD trading, including live chat, phone and email support channels. Online reviewers often mention ICMarkets' responsive and helpful customer service, which is reassuring when you're learning. On the downside, risk management is crucial. Some of the strongest online complaints about ICMarkets come from traders who haven't fully accounted for margin stop-out, volatility, liquidity changes, overnight swap costs and slippage when using stop-loss and take-profit orders. Limits portfolio construction, as CFDs are derivatives so you don't own the underlying assets. The broker recently expanded from a CFD-only trading platform to offer ASX stock trading for Australian customers only. But your options are far less than a true multi-asset platform. Withdrawal procedures seem more clunky than many other brokers. There's a daily cut-off time for making withdrawal requests and different conditions depending on the method you use to deposit funds, which can be confusing or add delays that make newbies nervous. How does ICMarkets stand out for experienced traders? Of course, if you know what you're doing and can afford to take more risks, ICMarkets can be a great avenue for CFD trading to open larger trades through leverage and maximize potential profits. It's best for active day traders, scalpers, hedgers and automated traders. ICMarkets ranks highly for its depth of liquidity, with a network of up to 25 liquidity providers and asynchronous spot prices to ensure tighter spreads. Low latency connections that deliver fast execution speeds, less than 1 millisecond. It uses enterprise-grade hardware on our trade servers in the New York 4 and LD5 data centers. Flexible lot sizing, with trades from 1 micro lot, 1.000 base currency, to 200 lots, 20 million base currency. No minimum order distance and a freeze level of 0, so you can place stop-loss orders as close to the market price as desired, ideal for high-frequency strategies. Pro Trader account holders can also set up a virtual private server, VPS, to maximize execution speeds, which you can access for free if you trade at least 15 lots per month, with higher performance tiers if you trade at higher volumes. In addition to providing access to what are considered the leading software platforms used in trading, MetaTrader 4 and 5, ICMarkets also enhances their platforms with additional features that traders will actually find useful. ICMarkets accounts, spreads, and commissions. While ICMarkets boasts spreads as low as 0.0, it's often wise to pay a commission to get the tightest spreads possible. However, if you're more comfortable navigating variable spreads to avoid paying a commission, the broker does offer a no-commission standard account. The standard account charges no commission but applies a markup of 0.8 pip above the raw interbank rate received from liquidity providers. The raw spread account offers low spreads based on institutional-grade pricing direct from liquidity providers, and a commission of USD $7 or $9 per standard lot round turn. The broker's Forex swap rate, the overnight interest charged for holding a position open, is dependent on the currency pair, which can be viewed within MetaTrader 4 and 5. It's important to note that to account for settlement timeframe delays, the usual swap rate is tripled on Wednesday nights for FX, metals, bonds and commodities. On Friday nights the swap rate triples for energies, indices and cryptocurrencies. For share investing in Australia, it's free to open an ICMarkets share trading account, and there are no monthly or inactivity fees. The minimum marketable parcel of shares applies, so if you wanted to invest in CommBank shares, you'll need to buy a minimum of $500 worth of CBA in your first transaction, plus brokerage fee. You'll pay AUD $7.70 flat fee for trades up to $100. That's not the cheapest in the market, but it's definitely within the competitive range. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like the video to not miss the latest information from the channel as well as the ICMarkets floor. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please comment below so we can help you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.